Let me share with you how to make the best spicy oven grilled chicken thighs. So I made these to pair with some chips, and honestly, it was amazing. Crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside, and packed with lots of flavor. A warm welcome to you, and thank you so much for coming back to watch another video. If you're new to the channel, my name is Helen, and if this sounds like a kind of vibe, then please sit back, relax, and then let's get cooking. Thank you. So I had already soaked these chicken thighs in lemon water for like 20 minutes before filming, and this will help remove any off aroma from the chicken. I'll just go ahead and drain the water, and I'll start by removing any unwanted parts. I began by peeling off that little yellow layer on the leg. It always puts me off when I see it left on. Next thing to do will be to trim off the excess fat. You can choose to keep it if you prefer, but personally, I don't like it. And once that's done, I'll scrape away any tiny hairs from the chicken, and I'll be doing that with my knife. When we are done, just move on to the next procedure. I'll then add some fresh lemon juice, quite a generous amount, and I also added a splash of white vinegar. This time around, we won't be soaking the chicken for long since we already did that for like 20 minutes before filming. Yes, but it's really necessary because it will also help remove any of aroma from the chicken. When I'm done, I'll just go ahead and then massage it with my hands, making sure every part of the chicken is well soaked with the lemon water. Then I'll rinse it off camera to save time. After rinsing, I'll just pat dry the chicken thoroughly with a paper towel because you don't want any moisture here. Next thing to do will be to make some few incisions in the chicken, and this will allow the seasoning to penetrate deep into every part of the chicken. So again, I'll just dab the chicken with a paper towel to remove any remaining moisture before moving on to seasoning. I'll start by adding a tablespoon of all-purpose marinade, 1 tablespoon of garlic granules, 2 tablespoons of ground ginger, a tablespoon of onion granules, a tablespoon of chicken seasoning. I've also added a tablespoon of some herbs and spice blend, then added some chili flakes, a bit of chili powder, and 3 tablespoons of green marinade, and just a sprinkle of oil. If you know me, then you know I love green marinade in my seasoning. You don't want to miss that because it takes it to the next level. When I'm done, I'll just go ahead and then mix everything together. And I'm not just mixing, I'm just making sure the seasoning coats all parts of the chicken. It's really important for flavor. The next thing to do will be to drizzle more oil, and then I'll massage it again. As you can see, it's already looking good. When I'm done, I'll just cover the bowl with a cling wrap, and I'll let this sit for like 3 to 4 hours. I needed mine for dinner, so I just left it to marinate for that long. So just stay tuned, and I'll be back soon. After 4 hours, I removed the cling wrap, but just look at how good this chicken is looking. Now I'll carefully line the chicken on my baking tray. My oven is already preheated to 160 degrees, and I'll be oven grilling the chicken for like 35 to 40 minutes maximum. Checking in between to make sure it cooks evenly. Yes. Now moving on with the leftover seasoning from the chicken, I'll just go ahead and add a few drops of oil. Then I'll mix everything together beautifully, and you can use that on the chicken. There's no waste here. We are not throwing anything away. 20 minutes into grilling, I checked on the chicken and applied the sauce that we just made. So I'll be brushing it onto every part of the chicken and turning it over and applying more as it grills. Right before I forget, you can also make this recipe in the air fryer. That's if you prefer. If you're here and enjoying this video, please spare me some minutes to subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notifications so you don't miss any videos from me. And please don't forget to follow us on all socials at Upclose with Abena. It's been 35 minutes into grilling, and as you can see, I'm still applying the sauce each time I turn the chicken, and voila, this is how it looks after 40 minutes. Grilled to perfection, juicy, and absolutely delicious. I will carefully line them up on my tray, and just look at that. So easy to make, and they turned out beautifully. And of course, I can't leave without showing you how the inside looks. Grilled to perfection inside and out. Doesn't it look amazing? I really hope this video was helpful, and if you enjoyed watching, please like and share this video with someone who would love it. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on all socials at Upclose with Abena. You can also check out other amazing recipes on the channel and let me know your thoughts in the comments section. Until then, I'll see you in the next one. Have a blissful, beautiful week. Bye-bye.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.